Hi everyone, thank you so much for stopping by my channel, So Healthy and Well. Um, Here we talk about beauty, health, and wellness. And today I want to just share with you one of my cooking recipes. If you'll bear with me, I am a new cook, so I'm kind of slowly learning, how to cook. I'm using a slow cooker, which is kind of my own cheat sheet because I can just kind of throw everything in there together and let the ingredients kind of mesh together. So here are the ingredients: chili seasoning, black beans, pinto beans, ground turkey, onions, corn, and jalapenos. I'm just first I'm going to chop everything all up and kind of put the salsa in there. I forgot to mention the salsa. It's one of my own ways that I kind of take out one of the steps of having to do the tomato paste or cut tomatoes in a can. So there's my ground turkey. Again, here are the ingredients. I kind of have two alternatives for my starch, which is either the tortilla strips or some really nice frozen rolls that I just discovered. Kind of addicting, honestly, but again, there are the ingredients. Chop everything up and start off by putting the salsa in the slow cooker, and then after that I just go for my beans. Using the Bush's beans, low sodium, black beans, and pinto beans. And here you see me with everything, putting everything into the slow cooker. I'm gonna try to drain out just a little bit of the excess. And there's me browning the ground turkey before I put it in the slow cooker. And voila, at the end, I let it slow cook on high for about 3 hours, and the ingredients blend so well together. And that's my simple chili slow cooker dinner for all you new cooks out there. If you would please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for stopping by So Healthy and Well.